You could have never tricked me with Rosealee because me sit down and watch you. Me watch you from your nobody till me make people start following you. I gave you gifters. Rosealee did not give you one gifter. She paint you into a bad life. Every time you sit down on live with her, she paint you into a bad life. Like just like today, when she have her chat and name you and she did this here.
Hush be hush friend. We don't want love ceremony.
We do.
No my man.
Oh. Which one? Toto?
Jaden. May I beg you please. Me I go down one road already. Me don't want me to go back down that road there. In spite of what me and you do, and me you say, me not keep myself outside. In spite of what me and you do, and what me say to each other, you want to look at how I'm rate, I'm love from the beginning, and how I feel about a person from the start, as how I feel up to now. Let's come on to my bestie, I'm a man, leave it. If I care about me that enough, when I come and say my bestie, I'm a man, I'm a pity them, lefty. Anybody else lefty? My man, my best, my man. You listen to me?
Don't put a man in there.
What make?
Don't put a man in there. Me see a man.
What kind of problem do you want me in a note today?
Yeah, I don't have no problem in a Rosealee.
My bestie, my youth them, I'm a local supporter them. Anybody else will kill them over here. We don't want, they got text you.
Yeah.
And sometimes I'm out one bus, you know. What?
My mother to them now this you're doing it, but that's what I make you know.
My mother to them now, this is Jaden.
Them not talk
You not see Munchie. You not see Munchie at Tabu and Munchie take picture with you. Why you ask? My mother to them now this year.
Talk about Toto.
Jaden. I love you, but I love Toto more.
Nothing wrong, but that don't mean I can't give me wrong then.
Him nah this year.
Then come here now. Then what's away Uncle Jaden have to come out and say, Shebada, you win again. Then Jaden, you never know so when me a class here win, me win. You never know so when me a class here win, me win. You think so I can't see in the future. Then you never know so I win, me win. Then you did that. You see, this is the problem we do. We're not too hypocritical. We're not too hypocritical. You know your Rosealee can last 24 hours. You know your Rosealee cannot last 25 hours. Then come in and Jaden. You know, so the hypocrisy for Rosealee face. When everybody panel in a chat, you know, so she'll laugh and go on. Then you never know. You go like you do one glasses to stick back off from your phone. It'll blind you. Yeah. That's all another company internet complete hypocrite to do no one another. That's why I'm telling you that I can't do it. I cannot do it and I will never do it. And I will never do it. All I do I play hypocrite. All I do I play hypocrite to do no one another. You didn't know some way, no? After I fight my battles, I the Lord I fight it. That's why I don't sit down with you and congregate because we're not hypocrite among ourselves. You sit down in your class yourself, so you tune up. You the things say Rosealee like you. I just sit down and watch you not play hypocrite with one another. Rosealee don't like you. Come here. Remember the talk where you talk and say what a cause the ruckus here are through you and Rosealee are friend me vex. Remember? Remember when you say through you and Rosealee are friend me vex, which nothing of us saw? Now how it look upon you now? Through she and Toto are friend, you vex. You see how cock mouth can kill cock? That's why me not talk about cock and suck it. Nurse look up on me. But you see, when I say anything, you're bad mind, you're envious, you're this, you're that. You blah blah. And you really, she never did go give up. What up for you? You are nobody to she. And you come up on the internet and you behave just like her. You understand me? This is what you get. This is what you get. Today I focus on messenger and not the message. You come out. Nobody can stop me from talking to Rosealee. Nobody can come between me. Nobody at this on the 8th. See them. It never take 24 hours. It never take 24 hours. At this reach, you know. All because the whole are not hypocrite. At this reach, the whole are, you know. That's why I can't play hypocrite pan this because too much hypocrite they already are play. I tell you, say I could never, I say I watch the girl sit down and I chat her, rip you to pieces and she just look and laugh. She not rate you. She not rate you and she will never rate you. So all y'all look pity party and y'all look brethren and friends. All y'all look congregation, you can't preach. All of you are hypocrite against one another. All of you, when you have a good thing going for your Jaden, Rosealee latch on to, you know what? She a destiny swapper just like you. And you can't identify your handiwork through somebody else. That is your problem. You can't identify your handiwork through somebody else. She don't need you. Because now she have the FYP for herself. Where you are go? She don't need you. The child don't need you. And she control the FYP now. When you are control the FYP, she latch on to you. Come now, mama, can play too much. Me not gonna say me did tell you. Cause you supposed to know so it was coming. You had to jump. You had to no Tommy, him have to jump. Because guess what? He know it gonna look bad. He know she and him go down Emmanuel Road, girl and boy, figure broke rock stone. You have to know her. When nothing now go on fair, she latch on who things that happen for. She not like them. She said when it comes to her man and her friend and her kids, so you's not her friend. You're never her friend. You were never her friend. And at this for reach you. At this reach you. Can you jump up at me say you have a Rosealee attitude. You have a Rosalee's attitude. You jump up at. I hear him now. I hear him. And I saw you go on. You remember the Saturday? I saw you go on and you skin out and you go on. And you kill it dead you keep rubber dub. She not put Toto. She not put you over Toto. She not, I don't know what name spell so and them call it so. She not put you over Toto. A Toto she say, and a Toto she's been saying. And you know long way back when say Toto don't like you. So when I see the whole of the group up together, eat and a dance, it not real. It not real, that's why I not go party because I pure hypocrite rock. I pure hypocrite rock, that's why I not go party. You don't believe me, them don't like the promoter, but them go there with them bad money. You never know. And this not gonna reach you.
Got to say again, me not fight nobody war but mine. No hard feelings. I am not fighting anybody war but mine. I just stick to my old ways and who wants to me a hypocrite, my hypocrite. Better not have me as that. Respectfully. And me I figure it out good. Like good. I'm a dog that, I'm a sister that. Sometimes I miss Jabbas. Sad to say, Shebada did right. Shebada did right, man. Shebada win again. Liar did right. And sad to say this come down so me can see say him did right. When I pray it, you know, dog. I'm tell you, it's when I pray it, bro, people literally just add me because them thing did kind of water down. And as I am saying, when people can have a mutual friendship,
with no disrespect. And me not too young to know when me wrong. And I make no sense the team are ride for me and me not ride with them. I see myself too when I love people without willing to lose some of my supporters just to try and mend back things. But when you're not going to do the same, some are going to stay forever corrupt. I'm going to respect my team.
Shebada, you win again. Again. I God fight my battles in some and always on the winning side. It's not again. But when people talk, you say people bad mind you. Remember you say my bad mind you. Remember you say me. Bad mind you. Pretty chef them not know. Remember you say me. Bad mind you. For what? See it here this a killing through me and Rosealee a friend. And that not real. Then how for bad mind I hate that. Eh? How for bad mind I hate that now. Things when are real. Make it make sense. Of course them a dog to them own vomit and hog to them own walla. Me who no want friend bad mind friendship. Me. No people and the logics. No. On the logical side of a conversation. What do they have that I would want? Tell me the truth. I'm a dip on this app long before them comfortable in my own spot and my own lane. What is it that I could bad mind and envy them for? Explain to. I don't even play a match like them. I don't even live on the app for hours like them. I never sleep on live yet. You ever see me a fight for go up on podium at Bell Bell? Tell me the truth where God love. My rather talk about a new TikToker we want some shine and we want a boss. I rather talk about that new TikToker and say, oh God man, give them a strength. Tell me the truth. What is it that I could bad mind them for? No, Sandy, what for talk, because guess what? Sandy, when you check the levels, there is nothing. And if I want to, I can. All me have to do is come up here, so come tell you and say, I want to go up on the ranking now and play half dozen match. And beat up my chest like World Dog and say, come on my side where I drop 6. Enough people, let me say this, and this them don't understand. You see a lot of people on my platform would love for me to ask them for gift. No, for real, a lot of people, money bag, would love for me to sit down and say, come on my side, we're going to play this, we're going to play. A lot of persons on my program give me willfully, without me have to come with a 911. And that much me satisfied with and I understand. A lot of people, any home come on this and say me I play a match and me a big like a dog. That's what persons want and that them would entertain. But I don't need to. Me don't need to stress nobody. People have them bills to pay. People have them bills to pay. So I rather sit down here and collect that one cowboy at you and feel good. Yeah, a lot of persons, so there's nothing for una envy no one another. Una sit down and una watch one another get and una envy them savvy. Una envy them to the fullest. It never take long for una name on one another because una dog name dog. Una dog name dog. You never know? Yeah man, una dog name dog. And it's so deplorable. And Jaden, please do not come out and play victim. Don't come out and play victim because you know how Rosealee stay already. If anybody don't know how Rosealee stay, you do. Because she's spitting a liquid gear. So you have a DNA in your belly to walk with. You do. But no, you choose to side with negativity because you're negative. Negative. You'll talk so you lose a gifter because your energy bad. Your energy bad. So you're going to lose gifters. You're going to lose gifters because your energy is bad. And when I say bad, I mean bad because you adapt things from Rosealee. I came out, and I say, you give me a Rosealee vibe, which is so true. You don't have no loyalty to yourself, so you can never be loyal to nobody else. You don't have no loyalty. So when you talk about, me not go bother argue, you should. You should. You want like a chance where you get for put her in a place, you should. Anytime you are controlling the FYP, you are Rosealee, so. Anytime you are controlling, you think all Candy with the lash, Rosealee like Candy with the lash. Rosealee can't wait for tell Candy the amount of things them. You think Rosealee like Candy with the lash? I true Candy build a space for herself and go on in it. And that's why anytime Rosealee the pan and lowest she draw for Candy. Anytime she see Candy like Candy higher than sheep on the FYP, you see she come up near Candy. Rosealee not have them opportunity there with me. Me not give them girl no space around me. None. Look how long. If me did want a friend from Rosealee, look how much time Rosealee come from my program. Look how much time Rosealee come from my program. If me did want a friend from Rosealee, that would have gone through the gate. Rosealee want a friend from me. And that's the difference between me and Uno. She want a friend from me. Me don't want a friend from them girl. Them girl and me can't be friends. Can't be friends. Them girl and me can't be friends, Brian. Never. You mad? Them girl and me can't be friends. Cannot be friends. Lie them a tell. She can't have that chance around me. Nobody can class me and then friend me. You mad? Of course, Rosealee forced herself on Candy. And she ever a copy Rosealee. One thing with me, Rosealee talk it out her mouth, say me is her favorite actress. And one thing with me, she have to look upon me, Shani. She have to look upon me and pattern me. Everybody on this internet pattern my style. Everybody. No two way about it. Everybody pattern my style. Exactly. You mad? I said to the Jaden, shame him so till all him have to do is come out and say, boy Shebada, you win again. You win again. But when me did that talk to him, think I lie me I tell. I said to him, say, you create a space for yourself. Treasure it. How many times me talk to Jaden about that? Him have to confess. How much time me sit down and tell him, say, you create a space for yourself. Treasure it. You don't need anybody to make you relevant. Because you don't make yourself relevant already. How do you cure that? No, sister, when him not here, everything is a dig at them. And him a come at me, and him a diss at me. When you don't have no content, don't draw for me and go like say, you want to push me down. No. Don't go like say you want to draw for me and push me down. Did you think me never know say you and Rosealee never got it? Me surprised you no got it mildly. Very mildly. Me surprised. Me surprised. Me telling about Apicana and the losers now over here, so you know. And one thing with Apicana, God bless Apicana. No losers no over here, so not even my moderator them, not even my students them. No losers no over here, so. Cause people like sound doctrine. You never know people like sound doctrine. No losers no over here, so. It no wonder every day why people support me, why people support my program, because we have sound doctrine over here, so. Sound doctrine over here, so. It's a pity that let me tell you what reach Jaden, and him no want to admit it. But not until you admit it, you shall grow. You know how reach you? You make a mistake in your hype. It's when you get your hype, you always remember the people them who never with you. You come up and you're confessing about, oh, a Rosealee call me, a Rosealee boss me. Remember you say it's Rosealee boss you. So oh somebody not like you and boss you. Oh you're not meaningless, oh you're meaningless to somebody but yet still them boss you. You want to take back all of your talk now. Cause you're meaningless to the child. You're meaningless to Rosealee. Rosealee sat on the live and I said this to you, when you're class me, I said, Jaden, Rosealee only take you upon our program for mock you. Didn't I say that, people? Rosealee, when you talk about Rosealee calling and say, come we could go live now. She only call you when she has no content. Nobody, and she's not necessary. Show her files. Show her files. That's the only time she remember you. That's the only time. You could have never tricked me with Rosealee because me sit down and watch you. Me watch you from your nobody till me make people start following you. I gave you gifters. Rosealee did not give you one gifter. She paint you into a bad light. Every time you sit down on live with her, she paint you into a bad light. Like just like today, when she have her chat and name you and she did this here. I saw the ad sit down and go on. So when you sit down and talk about a pure shit you did a chat out of your mouth, you are giving your glory to Obia Dali. You never see it. You never see say you give your glory to Obia Dali. So you think when you laud Rosealee, the audience are gonna love you more? That's a lie. I will put them all something for me. That's a lie. That is a lie. But no, she be bad mind. Bad mind for telling you the truth. See, you have to confess my bad mind. See, you have to turn on and confess my bad mind. So is this the bad mind discover? And this are the bad mind with my bad mind, you? Eh? Me bad mind you for somebody when I like you. True or false, you better say through. You better say through. No, when you talk about the little girl, yeah. You remember them Jaden did that make mockery about somebody will say, and if she even at 12, and the whole of them was short prior, where was Rosealee within the time? Where was Rosealee within the time? You're not even it started and then you want to cancel you. When you play blind and you say even she at 12, and it's never you come up with it, you just do over the song. Remember? Where was Rosealee within that time? And me come up and shut it down for you. You forget? And me come up, you remember them time there? And me come up and shut it down for you. I said, who cares? Mary breed when she had 14 after Jaden never say I'm going to touch nobody. Him just a do over one attack Jaden and not attack the songwriter. You don't remember? Exactly, Shells. You don't remember? Yeah, man. That's how it goes. You know how the internet look on you know Jaden like a nobody. You never know. This is how the internet look on you like a nobody. Everywhere you go them run you. You know remember, you don't notice? But when people talk I hate them, hate you and bad mind. I can't bad mind you, Jaden. As God be my witness, I could never bad mind you. You say if me did bad mind me, I either depend live like figure it out. Cause me that one where you claim to say you have. No. That's why until you send me a request, I say me busy. See there? Odette says me, and not even Odette alone, enough people must send go over your life, Jaden. Rosealee never send nobody to you yet. That much you're not appreciative of. Yes, circle me. You remember? And all a block. Discover me discover sometimes. Yeah, it's true. I'm busy. Circle me. So till me give a block for keep. You don't remember them days there? Rosealee ever send nobody. If you go up on the app right now and ask anybody who send people over you, them gonna tell you say it's me. Them gonna tell you say it's me. Me force people to like you. Me force people to support you. So I could never envy you. Me glad to see my handiwork and me like your growth. It's me. When me hear Rosealee sit down and say, who give her strength on the app, it's happy kind of first bus Rosealee. We know we handiwork, we know the dolly they what we create. When Rosealee came on the app, that's why she shouldn't give Laverne, Lammy and Jakes a warm time. because she got a warm time. The same way you, Jaden, got a warm time on the app, because the app is serious. Exactly, sexy, exactly. But me not have to kill up myself like them in a Clam Global. Me just sit down and watch the monsters that I create. Remember, so one of them named Monsters Inc. When my people them hate all Jaden, me say no, I love him. When me turn on my program and me talk some things about Jaden, or me love Jaden and me ever take him away from who and who, my people them over here scan me, so till them wash me up, so till them say, alright, let me give him a blind. Long before Jaden even meets Slime. Long before Jaden even meets Slime. See there, Jan said she didn't vex with my feet. And it's not a lie. A whole heap of people exactly discover every day me rep for Jaden. Which one of you ever hear Rosealee and rep for Jaden? Tell me, remind me, please, which one of you hear Rosealee and rep for Jaden? Which one of you? None of you never hear that big fat swine rep for Jaden. None of you. Not one of you. Every day, Zandrama can't say nothing out of my about Jaden. Nobody can chat nothing bad about Jaden. I'm in a wheel up underneath them like a tampon. Them not remember them days there. When they ever say Rosealee come out and defend Jaden yet? When the world is against him. I'm willing to put all my image on the line for Jaden. True or false? Of course I shove him down on the throat. And it's not a lie. It's not a lie. Enough people hate me because me talk good about Jaden all when him bad. All when him bad me I see good. All when him bad me want to see what me I see. And it's not a lie. I'm cussing if I leave him, see there? That's why anything him give me, I take it. I take anything him give me. And that is just the truth. We couldn't even comment nothing bad about him. It's not a lie. Me disrespect a lot of persons for him. I know it's so funny. None of them never come out yet when them the world against me. And say leave Shebby alone and go suck on a mother. None of them. Not one of them. Not that I am looking at it because you know say me the only girl who fight army. I like me, yeah. Go put a camouflage. Me the only girl who fight army. You block me once for him, you know. See it there? Shame, you know, make me get up. None of them never say, love Shebby. Shebby is Shebby. Wait. None of them now give up them platform. But you see, because I know that I have faithful people who have my back and genuinely love me. You know? And them just know say me like that individual here. And me I go rep for that individual here. Them not pay me no mind. Remember all Sister Winnie. You see Lord Shebada take that, but you know much time Sister Winnie want block him from my program? Sister Winsome Roberts where you see right here, so you know how much time. But through she a happy kind of moderator, I can't rush her. Through she a happy kind of principal, I mean, I can't rush Sister Winnie because she a foundation. So she ever get a free pass. Me talk about Jaden so till Sister Winnie just a chop. She be that, yeah, man. You think a little time? You think a little time Barbie Slims? Eh? You think a little time Discover? So I don't know where you sleep on that boy. You think a little time? I wonder if you don't really understand. You know Sister Winnie and she sharp. As Jaden come and she want block him. Lord, she be enough him time yet. You think a little time too cute? Martin, up to the day Martin can't stand Jaden. Thank you, too cute. Up to the day Martin cannot stand Jaden. Up to the day, right this hour. Exactly 21 answers. Up to today day, if you ask Martin right now, me hate that about me say Martin love him my man. They have to own Jaden for people just ease off of him. You never know. And if you see you sit down and Lord Rosealee and knowing that Rosealee don't like you. She never yet like you. She never yet. The pussy of kitten. You hear it? Rosealee don't like you. I said today, when I see her sit down on her live and in her chat and nyam you up, you think people like you, Jaden? They don't. So teacher, where do it go from here? For him? Me after me not look on Jaden. Me not look on Jaden. Jaden don't bite him fingers there. Me not look on Jaden. Me not look on Jaden. Me not look on him. Yeah. Me ask Jaden what she are doing at your house. What she are doing at your house, and you know say she not like your queen and not like you from day one. What she are doing at your house? All that never sit well with you. So all of the over each other house and a group up, and a hypocrite. Una big hypocrite. I could never have somebody will say them spitting a liquid gimme. I'm have to drink it and then go back around them and then name out of them pot. Never have in a Marvin cook. Me no want nothing with Rosealee after herself. Never one thing with me. I never tell a lie and the whole I want when the truth it you know. When they say my bad mind. But you know me no mind that part there. When I say my bad mind. Yeah, she are the lady we make when you come back from Panama. You have to live in an Airbnb like dog. You couldn't go back a one time. She is the lady where you claim to say boss you and give you strength. Remember she come on the app and talk so you buy GUN. I see why you don't argue with Rosealee today. Because she got unearthed a lot of things. You never know. You can't escape her rat, Jaden. No care where you're going, could have going on the sun where at the hide. She's coming for you. She's coming for you. And this is what she like. When you kiss up on her, the beauty about it is how you talk about say a she boss you. And the beauty about it again is when she lists out her friends then you're not involved. You think she's gonna put Toto over you? You think she's gonna put Toto over you? Answer the question. Eh? You think she's gonna put Toto over you? She'll list her friends. When you did a list your friends, you list she in it. Then oh she feel list her friend list and not put you in it. Yeah, you think she gonna put you over Toto? Thank you, my baby. You think she gonna put you over Toto? You're not on her friends list. Rosealee is very demonic. But yet still you adapt her ways and think it's gonna work for you. But the boy here I send my request to him, don't know me. Read na man, read Keith Ramsey. Keith Shebada Ramsey. When I can't read. Of course she ate Jaden. She ate Jaden with a passion. She ate Jaden like a Jaden tell Labyrinth to get away. That's how much she ate Jaden. I can feel her already. I can feel her already. And I soon feel her. I can feel her already. You think a joke? Of course, Jaden don't know no better. Jaden a walk and look love. And that is just the truth. I said to him, you create an avenue for yourself. Work in that lane then. Work in that lane there. This is your avenue. No. Rosealee, see something now going for you. She send your request. Wagwan. Hey, if that girl ever send me request, the boat from my boat with this, you see. The boat Rosealee that upset my spirit. And when she done, she talk about, I don't watch him, you know. I don't watch people who are tear me down, and you come over here so in my comment section boldly enough for your text and a type. You're too out of order. Me not play with demons. You're too out of order. Me not ramp with Duppy. You're a wicked girl. You're a wicked dirty girl. You're a wicked dirty girl. Me not like any oh you didn't ever live at Franklin Town. Every day me see you, me lick you. Every day me see you, me lick you. You think a joke? Just to how evil you be, and you come back to the again pan somebody else through necessary your paper. Through necessary your paper, you come to the again pan Alia. A Jake next to leave to serve your paper. I bet you when Jake starts serving your papers, you do have no content in your mouth. I bet you any money. You not learn. You not learn and you're willing not to learn. You're willing not to learn. She can't piss in nothing the world dog. That's a wishful thinking. Cause one thing with world dog, he ma everything and that, but he would have never, ever make Rosealee pass a bottle of water game from the bartender. One thing with world dog, what due to Caesar, you give to Caesar. World dog would never, ever, world dog not careless like Jaden. That's the difference. That's the difference. World dog not careless like Jaden. My friend, you can go for some anything for me, please. After all the things I do for you in this world, one cup of anything you can't go for me. You have me up. Put me down. Your hands are tired.
I can't.
Why?
I can't.
You don't want to drink something to go drink some.